Trading currency in Zerodha involves using their platform Kite for forex trading. Here's how you can do it. Open an account. If you haven't already, open a trading and demo account with Zerodha. Ensure your account is enabled for currency trading. Access Kite platform. Log into your Zerodha account and navigate to the Kite platform, which is accessible via web browser or mobile app. Currency Market Watch. On the Kite platform, locate the currency segment. Place orders. Choose the currency pair you want to trade and place your buy or sell orders. Specify the quantity and order type. Monitor positions. Once your orders are executed, monitor your currency positions in the portfolio section of the platform. Keep track of price movements and market news. Risk management. Implement risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and maintaining a disciplined approach to trading. Exit trades. Decide when to exit your currency trades based on your trading strategy, profit targets, or stop-loss levels. Review and analyze. Regularly review your trading performance and analyze your trades to identify strengths and areas for improvement.